Welcome to Bright Beginnings at Home, where little minds shine and big adventures start. I'm so glad you're here. Today's spotlight letter is T. T is for ties. Ties are long pieces of cloth that people wear around their necks, often for special occasions or to look very smart. Did you know? Ties come in many colors and patterns, like stripes and polka dots, making them fun to look at. T is for tiger. Tigers are big, powerful cats with beautiful stripes. Did you know? Tigers are excellent hunters and love to play in the tall grass of the jungle. T is for turtle. Turtles have hard, protective shells on their backs. Did you know? Although turtles move slowly on land, they can swim very fast in the water. T is for tomatoes. Tomatoes are juicy and red, or sometimes yellow or green, fruits that are very healthy. Did you know? Tomatoes are used in lots of yummy foods, like salads, sauces, and even soups. T is for teddy bear. A teddy bear is a soft, cuddly friend that many children love to hug and take everywhere. Did you know? Teddy bears are often given as gifts to help comfort and make people feel loved. What is your favorite T word? Let's practice tracing the uppercase letter T. First, place your finger on the number 1 at the top of your paper and draw a straight horizontal line from left to right. This line will be the top of your T. Next, place your finger on the number 2 in the middle of the horizontal line, draw a straight vertical line downward until you reach the bottom. This forms the long body of your T. You did it! Hooray! You can pause the video and do it again and again. Parents use this guide to help your child write the uppercase T with pencil and paper. Happy writing! See you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.